Put it right there on top.
Fly your airplane.
Put it right here.
Shoo.
Oh.
About fly. Fly your airplane. High. Fly high.
Oh, hi.
Oh, fly high.
Land, yeah.
Land, yeah. Land, good job. Where's the yellow airplane? There.
That's a blue airplane.
Where's the yellow one?
Where's the yellow one?
There, good job.
We gotta put a pilot in your airplane, okay? No, you don't want a pilot? Can Daddy have a pilot in his airplane? He flies the airplane, see? You want your guy to fly the airplane?
No.
No? Okay.
Daddy.
Oh, I got a passenger too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Daddy and that's Mommy, huh? Right? Where's Charlie? Is this Charlie?
Yeah.
Okay, Charlie can fly in the airplane too.
Train.
Yeah, it's kind of like a train, huh?